What's going on, Nomies? Today is the day we tear the scooter apart. We're going to be pulling this old 150cc out, and I'm going to be installing a 172cc big bore kit from Rolling Wrench. So let's see what we can get done today. One of the first things we want to do is remove all of the plastic that is surrounding the frame to easily access the engine compartment. I'm going to be pulling the seat off. It's the first thing you do. You got two 10 mils, and then the side panels here, they just push in with little plastic clips, little rubber bushings. They just pop right off once you get the seat off there. One of the next things we're going to do is pull these shocks off. That way you can get the inner fender out, and also you'll be able to easily access the rest of the motor and transmission. As you can see here, I had already removed the brake cable from the rear drum. This right here is the ground to the wiring harness. You got to pull that off. It's on the top of the valve cover. Next, I removed the air box, and as you can see, I'm getting closer and closer to removing this engine. Right now, I'm looking for the wires to the starter. That's going to go up into the starter solenoid, and you're going to have to remove that wire from the starter solenoid. It's just easier to remove it from the starter solenoid than it is the starter, I have found. That way you can, release the wiring harness from the engine itself. As you can get it. Have it ratchet tied down to an old wooden stool. But yeah, she's ready for a big boy kit, I would say. Yep. There's supposed to be a T mark on here somewhere for top dead center. It's supposed to line up with that. Where is it? Is that it? Looks like I have to do a little bit of research. I think it's supposed to be that one. I'm not sure. Until next time. I'm signing off. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. This is just a quick engine removal video, a little sneak peek of my new shocks I got on Amazon. And until next time, everybody, take care, ride safe, and stay out of trouble. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more of these videos. Thank you.